In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Smartsheet view only. This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting the permissions on your Smartsheet to ensure it's designated as view only, which can be incredibly useful for maintaining control over your information while sharing it with others. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Smartsheet workspace. Think of this as your command center, where you can access all your sheets and manage them according to your needs. Once you're in your workspace, the task at hand is to locate the specific sheet that you intend to modify into a view-only version. It's important to remember that the settings we'll be adjusting are specific to each sheet, so make sure you're working on the correct one. On your screen, you should notice a Share button clearly displayed in the top right corner. This button is your portal to managing who can interact with your sheet. Go ahead and click on it to bring up the sharing options. In the window that appears, labeled Share with People and Groups, you'll have the opportunity to determine precisely who can view your sheet. Begin by entering the email address of the individual you wish to share this sheet with. Double-check the email for accuracy to prevent any mishaps in sharing. Now, here's where the crucial step unfolds. Assigning the correct role to these users is essential. You'll find a drop-down menu for roles, and from this menu, you'll want to select Viewer. This particular designation means that the person can see the content of your sheet but is unable to make any changes. They won't have access to editing features and won't be able to sort or filter rows, keeping your data exactly as you left it. After selecting the viewer role, you should see a brief summary of what this entails. Viewing only, without the ability to edit, sort, or filter. This layer of security is key to preserving the integrity of your data. If everything looks good and you're happy with these settings, proceed to click the Share button once more to finalize the process. But what if you've already shared the sheet with someone and now want to adjust their role to viewer? Not to worry, simply look under the Shared With section. Here, you'll see a drop-down next to their name. Click on this to change their current role to viewer, ensuring their access is now rightly limited to viewing only. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully managed to make your Smartsheet view only, a simple yet powerful tool to ensure that your data is shared precisely how you want it to be shared. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tutorials.